Mishy,
Alrighty.
machine, what are you machining?
I'm machining some kind of inner spoke mechanism that I believe will have something to do with caster wheels that we're making from scratch for the bottom of my table.
Alright, get into it.
Alright. Probably should have changed. I've got my good clothes on. Like Mum always said, you should get into your home clothes when you get home straight away.
You should.
I didn't learn my lesson. Sorry, Mummy.
Right, get into it.
We've gone through the whole thing?
Yeah. Cut it off. The parting off tool. Force up.
I'm actually cutting through solid metal and getting that shit up your nose.
Oh, come on, stop being a scoop. Into it. Into it.
Are we there yet?
Close.
Are we there yet?
It'll fall off when we get there.
Are we there yet?
Alright, you're driving it, you tell me.
Are we there yet?
Force it.
I am. I don't want to go too fast. I want to wreck it. Go into all this trouble.
Oh, look. Oh, there she goes. All done. Well done, Mishy.
Alright, now I'm covered in WD-40, so if anyone needs me to undo some kind of really rusty kitchen door, I'm good to go.
And you won't squeak.
I squeak.